That's the sound of money down the drain. The stick vacuum market is a minefield of overpriced promises and underwhelming performance, but what if you could know with 100% certainty which one is right for you? Our team spent 3 months and tested every major model on the planet, and the results were shocking. From a brand that's about to dethrone Dyson to a model with a secret feature that changes everything. All the links to the winners are in the video description. Watch to the end, because the number one pick is not what you think, and it will save you hundreds. Starting at number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The Dyson V15 Detect is the best stick vacuum we've tested. It's far from the newest model in Dyson's lineup, having been supplanted by the Dyson Gen 5 Detect in the company's lineup, but ultimately, it still represents the better buy, with near-identical performance to its younger and significantly pricier stablemate. It delivers superb performance on bare floors, as well as on low and high-pile carpets. It can automatically adjust its suction power to adapt to the surface you're cleaning, and it also has a dirt sensor that measures and counts the size of debris sucked into the vacuum. The downside of its strong suction is that it can make it hard to push around on some rugs. Its battery life depends on the setting. It can run for over 70 minutes in its most energy-efficient mode, but that drops considerably when using its boost suction, so you'll need to work fast when cleaning stubborn messes. Unfortunately, the vacuum does feel fragile in places, which is disappointing for a vacuum at a premium price point. If you're looking for a stick vacuum that feels considerably more robust, the Miele DuoFlex HX1 is a wonderful alternative with a similar automatic power adjustment system and great overall performance. It allows for a few different configurations thanks to the inclusion of an extension hose and flexible XL crevice tool, depending on the variant, making it ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach places or tasks like cleaning your couch. That said, its tiny dustbin, which is just under half the size of the Dyson's, can be a significant annoyance, as you'll need to empty it at the end of almost every cleaning session. Number 2. Shark Stratos Cordless IZ862H. If you're shopping at an upper mid-range price point, the Shark Stratos Cordless is a good choice. Compared to the Dyson V15 Detect, this vacuum is noticeably heavier and has a larger twin-roller floor head, so maneuvering in tight areas can be more of a hassle. However, it's cheaper and still delivers strong overall performance on most surfaces. Its CleanSense IQ system uses an infrared sensor to measure the amount of debris you suck up and automatically adjusts the suction power to match the required load. Its dustbin is bigger than the Dyson's, so you won't have to empty it as often. Another nice feature is its hinged wand, which makes cleaning under most tables and chairs much easier, as you don't have to crouch too much. A replaceable cartridge in its floor head emits a detergent-like scent to mask unpleasant odors as you clean, though that can become overwhelming if you vacuum often. While its max battery life of about an hour is good, recharging takes over 4 hours, which is much longer than the Dyson. This leads to a lot of downtime between cleaning sessions if you don't have a second fully charged battery on hand. Finally, this vacuum gets bogged down on thick carpeting. If you want a more powerful stick vacuum and are okay with losing out on the Shark's automatic power adjustment system, the Samsung Jet 75 is worth a look. Number 3. Samsung Jet 60. The Samsung Jet 60 PET is the best stick vacuum we've tested if you're shopping for a mid-range model. Despite a shorter runtime of around 40 minutes and a less sturdy build than the Shark Stratos Cordless, this model still offers a pretty impressive range of features at a lower price point. It boasts a 5-stage filtration system that traps allergens as you clean, and it comes with a miniature turbo brush that's very effective in dealing with pet hair on fabric. Performance is okay on bare floors, though it's worth noting that the bundled jet fit floor head can push some larger pieces of debris around instead of sucking them up, and it struggles with lifting away stubborn debris on carpeted surfaces. Another downside is that emptying its dustbin can release a cloud of dust and debris. This model can't automatically adjust its suction power. If that's a must-have feature, check out the Tineco Pure 1S11, but know that it's a little harder to find from most retailers than the Samsung vacuum. Number 4. Shark Stratos UltraLight HC3002. The Shark Stratos UltraLight is the best stick vacuum cleaner with a corded design we've tested. While staying plugged in will limit your cleaning range compared to the cordless models on this list, you'll never have to worry about running out of charge partway through a cleaning session. This vacuum shares a few commonalities with the Shark Stratos Cordless as well. This includes its Duo Clean Power Fins floor head, which uses angled fins on its main roller to prevent hair from getting tangled up, and a replaceable cartridge in its floor head that emits a pleasant detergent-like scent as you clean. However, there are a few drawbacks you'll have to contend with. The primary brush roll isn't removable, so it's a chore to clear away any hair that does get stuck. Also, unlike the Stratos Cordless, it doesn't have a multi-flex folding wand, so cleaning under most tables and chairs is much harder. Number 5. Samsung Bespoke Jet. Check out the Samsung Bespoke Jet if you're searching for a cordless stick vacuum and are sensitive to pollen or pet dander. Generally speaking, bagless vacuums like this aren't the best if you have allergies. Regardless of how advanced their filtration system is, shaking out a dustbin still releases a cloud of dust, which isn't as hygienic as tossing out a sealed dirt bag. However, the Bespoke Jet differs from most bagless vacuums. It comes with a charging dock that doubles as a self-emptying station, similar to self-emptying robot vacuums like the Roborock Crevo. This dock transfers debris from the vacuum's dustbin through an airtight seal into a disposable dirt bag inside the stand-up station, meaning you don't have to worry about emptying its dustbin manually. The vacuum also has a 5-stage filtration system that's effective in trapping allergens as you clean. Performance-wise, it does a good job dealing with debris on low and high-pile carpeting, though it falls short of the Dyson V15 Detect on bare floors, with its bulky twin-roller head pushing around some larger debris. One point in its favor is that it comes with 2 batteries that you can charge simultaneously, effectively doubling your potential runtime and making it a great option for longer cleaning sessions. However, its dual-roller floor head is considerably bulkier than the Dyson Vacuum's single-roller head, making it harder to maneuver. And there you have it, the landscape of clean has officially changed. Whether you have pets, hard floors, or just need raw power, one of these 5 is your answer. So which one matched your lifestyle? Let me know in the comments. Team Dyson, Team Tineco, or are you going with our surprising budget pick? If this unbiased testing saved you time and money, do us a huge favor, smash the like button, share this with a friend who's sick of vacuuming, and subscribe for more content that cuts through the marketing hype. All product links for your convenience are in the description below. Until next time, enjoy the clean.